Talking to you, Mac. You this way?
This way.
That way now? It's only been like 2 weeks since I put the helmet on, but it feels like about 2 months. Your boy throws like a baseball player, man.
He does.
That's right. Like he's in center field, and he's just ripping this thing to second to hose this dude out. Right?
Here comes that rain, baby. I like it. A little stickiness. I mean, it's like the rain was waiting for the event to start. Not a fan of this weather. Yeah, bring that rain. Let it rain. Drew, you ever use a glove?
Offhand. Only this hand on like extreme conditions.
I hate the feeling of it because I like my bare hand.
I like the feel, yeah. I'm with you.
Good to see you. How's everything?
Everything good? Y'all have fun this week?
Yes, sir, we did.
I'm hard counting. Watch.
The Pittsburgh Steelers.
Hey, who's the best receiver you faced this year?
Between Antonio and Julio. Because with him, he don't really have no route tree. He runs his own route.
Yeah, no, he just do whatever he wants. Yeah.
And Julio run every route in the route tree, so you can't really get a feel for what he's doing. You know, with certain receivers, they only have a certain routes they can run.
Yep.
But them two, they don't have everything.
Yep.
You know what I'm saying? So that's why I say them two.
Hey man, hey, it's been a fun week. It's all been good, but now it's time to win, all right? Yeah. Play fast, play aggressive. Offense, we score points. Defense, think takeaways, baby. Let's go win this thing. Win on 3, 1, 2, 3, win.
Drew Brees and the NFC offense will come out first at the 25-yard line.
Don't overthink it. Cross face if you can, otherwise if he's hard inside, run by him. Gun double left club, 23, Z Dodge, X Cat, on one. Ready? Blue 80, what's that?
Brees sets in the pocket, throws over the middle, fingertip grab by Baldwin.
Nice ball.
It is so fun to play in a game like this because the players who aren't in are really interested in watching.
All right, let's go now. Let's play now. Get your hand on one. Somebody gotta get the money.
Drew Brees very sharp early on as he was most of the season.
Ready? Blue 80, what's that?
Two receivers to either side from the gun. Brees sets, throws on a slant, caught into the end zone, touchdown.
Hey, go for one. That's the only time I'm going for one.
Yeah, one. Good job, good job, good job.
It's Adam Thielen who's got a touchdown in his first Pro Bowl. And the NFC takes the early lead.
Hey, I rushed the passer. They got me. They covered. Running, using my energy.
You know that American Express commercial said, cost of bringing family to my first Pro Bowl, $750. Catching my first touchdown in the Pro Bowl, priceless.
Bro, I can't believe I'm playing next to David DeCastro. What an honor.
Better enjoy it.
What an honor.
We begin the AFC's first possession from the 25-yard line.
It's a run, it's a run, it's a run!
Roethlisberger gives it to Bell, who flips it back to Roethlisberger, who throws right side to Doyle at the 35 on a screen. Doyle to the 30-yard line, and he's out of bounds.
I learned in 2006 we had this flea flicker, Tiki Barber, but in the Pro Bowl, it's like no one is. Yeah, exactly. You're better off just dropping back and throwing a pass you like. You have to press here.
Play action, Roethlisberger aiming for the end zone on the left side. Jump ball for Antonio Brown, and it's knocked away at the last moment. Xavier Rhodes got a hand in there to swat it away.
He's a big-ass corner, bro.
Bro, my God.
Look at him. Holy.
And that'll bring up a fourth down. Here comes Boswell on for a 41-yard field goal try, and it's good.
Yeah. My kids are gonna come down and come on the sideline here. My three boys.
Let me see their faces and I'll get them.
I'll point them out to you.
Yeah.
Okay, well, there's 3 of them. All right, so here they are right here.
Our score after 15 minutes of play, NFC 7, AFC 3.
Hey, Mom, it's okay. I'll stay right here and wait for them, okay?
I've never seen a Pro Bowl that was raining this hard. This is like Charlie Brown rain. I miss bad.
That little water never hurt anybody.
The whole week has been clear, everything. Generally in Florida, whatever comes though doesn't stay long, generally. I don't know what the weather looks like. But it's coming down heavy now. You guys need towels?
This is a really, really professional rain right here. They've got industrial strength water coming down.
Hey, what's up, guys? Hey, it's raining a little bit, isn't it, huh?
There is water in my shoes.
It's okay. Hey, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's all good. Hey, we're gonna get soaking wet today, and that's okay. All right, yeah. Here, come here, guys. Come here. Hey, will you get the scoreboard in the background?
Drew Brees off to a nice start, 7 of 9 with a TD. He's done. Russell Wilson gets a shot.
It's gonna work here, fellas. It's a pleasure to play with you boys, man. Let's make it happen. Yo, flood right slot. Press 32, do what I want. Come on, in there.
Awesome. Thank you. Thank you very much. I love you too. So, yeah, yeah. So okay, that's fine. So they're gonna come with me on the bus. You're you're with me the whole time. Yeah. Hey, keep your hat on. You know what I'm saying? Yeah. You're on the sideline now.
Ready?
Yeah, that's right.
3rd and 9. Wilson under pressure. Shovels it to Ingram, and Ingram is buried at the 25-yard line.
Hey, we want to kick or we want to go for it? We got to play. Kick it.
Nothing.
Yeah.
Graham Gano on from 43, and the field goal try up and good. And the score 10-3 NFC with 12:08 remaining first half.
Good job, man. Good job.
I know, we're all soaked. It's okay. It's okay.
Hey, you got sleeves going, both y'all. Slippery, you're not getting interceptions today. Zimmer lets you wear sleeves? Does he ever give you a hard time?
Hey, listen to me. Hey, you got to pay attention, okay? If the ball comes over here, you got to get out of the way, okay? If the guys come to the sideline, you got to get out of the way. Hold on.
Antonio Brown.
Yeah.
4th down and 7.
We're going for it again?
All right, hey, it's 4th down. Let's watch. Let's see what's going to happen. 4th down.
The AFC's going to stay with Ben Roethlisberger at quarterback.
Look at Earl. Look at Earl trying to hide the covers.
From their own 41-yard line, Roethlisberger in the gun between the hash marks, leaning in, gets the shotgun snap. Roethlisberger with pressure up the middle, steps up and throwing deep, looking for Antonio Brown, intercepted by Harrison Smith. Smith at the 30-yard line, veers right to the 40. Smith on the left sideline to midfield. Smith to the 40, down the left sideline to the 30. Stops and starts at the 20, breaks a tackle at the 10, and stumbles into the end zone for the touchdown. Harrison Smith with the interception return for the touchdown, and the NFC lead grows.
What was he doing?
Ben Roethlisberger was treating that play on the 4th and 7 like it was going to be a punt. Throw the interception and let the guy get tackled. He just didn't get tackled.
The second longest pick six in Pro Bowl history belongs to Harrison Smith, who just took one back 79 yards.
That's it. That's it. That's it, D. That's it, D. That's it, hey.
Hey, you're smooth, man. That was smooth. That was smooth.
17-3 NFC, 7:18 remaining in the first half.
You out of breath?
Hey, Harrison. So Zim never gave you the whole sleep talk? No. So Parcells would always build I hate the receivers and DBs and sleeves because he had this theory. It's slippery.
The rain is making a difference. There's no question that was a slippery football.
We have to dry off the ball.
What's that?
Dry the ball.
You can do that.
Hard to bounce back from a play like that. The offense for the AFC is right back on the field.
Dang, you're waterlogged. This is the best we got.
Already. It's unbelievable.
We don't have any backups, huh? No backup balls?
Yeah, we got another ball. You on another one?
We got a dry one?
The rain has lightened considerably. Alex Smith in at quarterback.
I think this guy's pretty good. Alex Smith.
Hey, guys, this is not a time to goof around, okay? This is a time to watch the game, okay?
4:15 remaining in the first half. The NFC leading 17-3. Movement up front as the snap comes, bobbled by Smith. He'll air it deep down the right sideline, looking for Jarvis Landry, who's got it inside the 15, and Landry stumbling down near the 10. That's ball. First and goal for the AFC as Alex Smith, despite the bobbled snap, able to fire down the right sideline for 49 yards to Jarvis Landry.
He continued to roll the last 10 yards all the way into the end zone, hoping that he didn't get touched down.
Woo. I see you, kid. I see you. Yeah, that was a good catch.
Did I get mad?
Huh? Don't throw your hat. All right, here we go. Come on, tell him. Come on, defense, stop him.
2 minutes remaining in this first half. Out of the shotgun, Alex Smith gets the shotgun snap low to his right. Pressure coming, steps up, throws to the right corner, and it's intercepted.
Damn, man.
Intercepted in the end zone by Patrick Peterson, who turns the AFC away with the interception.
Yes, sir.
Trying to get it to Delaney Walker right out in the corner. The pocket collapsing around him. Alex Smith steps up and delivers this. And Patrick Peterson, that guy's got ball skills.
Third AFC turnover, 1:53 remaining. First half, 17-3 NFC.
Just trying to take a shot, man.
Good job.
My third Pro Bowl pick. Third Pro Bowl pick, man. Pat P. Hold on, how you doing, Mark? Oh, backpack kid on him. Hit it on him. Backpack kid on him. Hey. My God. Hey, y'all don't understand. It's the 7th time. We came in 11. We came in 11. Left the Pro Bowl since. My draft 11 is legendary. 11.
Here, let's go get one. A lot of time left, baby. A lot of time.
If I'm not mistaken, this will be like watch Alvin Kamara check down. Whoop. Russell can create.
Shotgun snap to Russell Wilson. Jump pass over the middle. Kamara just got their first down of the quarter, but they scored 10 points in the quarter. NFC up 17-3 and looking to add to that lead before halftime. Wilson will run with it across the 40.
Come on, let's get something here.
Wilson along the right hash gets the shotgun snap and gives it up the middle to Ingram.
Get out! Timeout!
Timeout call with 4 seconds left.
He was calling timeout while the play was still going.
We gotta kick it. Nicely done.
I'm trying to go to you.
No, I'm looking at the clock. I'm like, hey.
I was looking.
Busted through.
Good snap, good hold. Gano's kick slips through.
Had it, baby.
Attaboy, Grab. Good job, man. Good job.
That's the end of the first half with a score NFC 20, AFC 3.
All right, hey, halftime, guys. Here we go. Hey, we're going in the locker room. Hey, do you want to wear my helmet in the locker room? You want to hold it? All right, you hold it.
This is going to fall to the AFC. They've got their work cut out for them here in the second half.
Cross the ball.
Oh, cross it.
Okay. And then just tell your slot they can run wheelie. Get the hell out of there, okay?
Derek.
Kings.
Let's go. Half right, 52, Z comeback, X indigo, Y shallow sneak. All right, AD. Hi, son.
Smith out of the gun, drops to throw, steps in the pocket, throws. T.Y. Hilton on a cross with a catch at the 40-yard line of the NFC. Slips a tackle at the 30. Hilton down the right sideline inside the 20 and out of bounds.
Yeah, I know we go. Hey, we got flood right stack. Sell it, huh? Sell 32 dive. F-bend, Okie. Stack.
First and goal at the 4. Bell the single back.
All right, AD. Hi, son.
Play action. Smith will throw for the end zone. Caught Delaney Walker. Touchdown. The tight end from the Tennessee Titans gets the AFC into the end zone for the first time today.
Hey, nice out.
Laney. Here we go. Let's move the chart.
Let's get it, baby. Here we go. Come on. Let's go up and down the field. Come on. Green outside.
From the 43 on first down and 10. A long throw, and it's intercepted. He got one. Picked off by Casey Hayward at the 10-yard line. Hayward dancing around at the 15, laterals the football to Rashad Jones. Jones goes left to the 20, to the 25. He laterals the football to the 30, and Jalen Ramsey up the left sideline to the 40, and Ramsey finally shoved out of bounds.
I like that. Hey, that went a real 2-6. I talked to everybody in the real 2-6 out there. AFC, we like to talk about snap. We like to talk about cool.
Yep. You just give the young buck the rest. You cool with that? Yeah, I'm good. Yeah. I don't need to go back in there.
First time today we see Derek Carr at quarterback for the AFC.
What's up? Hey, my boys are watching. My boys. Oh, man. Hey, we're going under center. So I'm just going to feel my hands. All right. You're going to feel my hands. Yeah. Make sure we get it. Good there? Yeah. All right. Set. Blue 80. What's up? Hey, Pounce.
Hey, we did it, baby. We did it.
Hey, at any moment, if we get them to jump, take off. I'm gonna give y'all a chance to make a highlight.
First down at the NFC 41-yard line. Offset backs behind Derek Carr. Play action, he'll bootleg left side. Carr backpedaling, throws it down left sideline. Jump ball, it is caught at the 2 by T.Y. Hilton.
Hey, I said I'm just launching it up, bro.
First and goal at the 2. Carr turns, gives to McCoy. McCoy into the end zone for the touchdown. A 2-yard pop right up the gut.
Hey. Yeah, good job.
The AFC right back in this game.
Hey, can I get in and get a pass from him, please? Take a picture.
I knew you brought your phone out, or what's your dude? Just take
got
a
a lot
picture.
of pictures. I need to get a
jet.
Come on, Aiden. Come on, babe.
It would be, hey, what if you promise him to run out of bounds?
I'm gonna run out of bounds. What if I promise you to run out of bounds? I would promise that. It would be fun to have you out there.
It was,
No, I can't. He had enough. You get a little with the car. I'm not gonna put you out there. Come on, man. I'm in the warm up. I'm in warm up. I can warm it up. No, warm up and go up in the stands and sign some autographs.
Hey, where is your helmet?
Huh?
Where's your helmet?
It's over there. It's over there. See it? It's underneath. It's underneath the chair over there. Run over there. Hey, you can put it on, and you can hear what they're saying. No, well, not right now, but get ready. Get ready. Look at you guys. Hey, how we doing? Hey, Baylor. Hey, Callan, you were talking about being able to hang with Coach Payton. How we doing? You having fun? Are you?
Drew, you got all 3 of your guys with you. Give me the names again. Balin.
So Balin, Bo, and Callan.
They fight constantly, right?
That's pretty much the way it is all the time. Hey, Breeze boys, no head and neck, okay? No head and neck.
We eating hot dogs on the sideline? What are we eating? Airheads?
Oh yeah, sugar, coach.
On the sidelines?
Just what they need.
So where'd you get the candy at?
You want one?
I'll get one a little bit later.
Put your ball boy to work.
Well, yeah, a cherry?
Oh yeah.
Can you find me a
Go
cherry?
get a cherry.
Boys,
Yes, sir.
Breeze boys, holding it down.
Say that's right, Marky
Y'all
Mark.
been having fun or what, man?
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Can't you see the chalk and the
them.
pellets and everything?
I see 'em.
They've hit the ground more this half than everybody on the team combined.
hey, fourth quarter now, be ready. Hey, fourth quarter.
Jared Goff in at quarterback now for the NFC.
Okay. I hate the D linemen so much.
Who's that?
These D linemen.
Yeah, we're trying to win an extra 30 grand, man.
I got blasted.
Fourth down and 7 from the 45.
Are you in or out?
No, stay here. Stay here. Stay here. Hey, come on. Come on. Hey.
This next series for the AFC offense is going to be as hard as both teams play on either side of the ball all day.
What's up?
2 minutes left, guys. We gotta win. Let's go. We gotta stop them.
You can bet they're going to put all their effort into this series right here.
Yeah. Seam.
Come on, DC. Let's go, man.
Push him if you have to. Whatever you do, they're not gonna call offensive PI. Shove him.
You gotta get this W, man.
Clock will run, 1:53 and counting.
All right, let's make a play. Make a play. Make a play. Make a play. Here we go. Make a play.
Let's hut.
First and 10 at the 18. Carr to throw, right side. Caught, touchdown! Delaney Walker with his second touchdown catch. And the AFC, for the first time today, has taken the lead.
Hey, you want that? Yeah, you want it? You want it? You can have it. Okay. You can have it.
Hey, we got a timeout.
Dude, all we need is a field goal.
Go get it. Finish it off.
I'll go. Aggie. It's double right.
A field goal would win it.
I'll go. Option. Go.
Goff trying to lead the NFC back.
Ready. Play set.
Goff under pressure on first down. Hit the ball. It's out. Loose ball at the 27. It's recovered by the AFC. Von Miller with a recovery.
That's going to do it with 37 seconds left.
Von Miller's just a big play guy. Whether it's the Pro Bowl, preseason, regular season, this guy is just an absolute game closer. Go on.
So the AFC comes from behind and wins it. The final score in the 2018 Pro Bowl, AFC 24, NFC 23. The second largest come from behind win in Pro Bowl history.
Man, you came here and stole my money, man. My bad, dog. You have a good one, okay? Thank you. You go. That was fun. Huh? Oh, my goodness. That was so fun. Oh, man.